Clear?
She swears he's in here, bro.
There's a lot of green on this property. Is leaves in the back.
Don't trust you.
Alright, perfect.
Okay, I got a door on left. So, come on my right. And hold long. Actually, come up, go in front of it. Yeah, good. Cover long.
We're clearing this room. We're clearing this room. Small one, small one, small one.